How do I set an iPhone wallpaper? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your iPhone wallpaper. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your settings, right? So click on the settings. Right now from the search, type in wallpaper, right? Type in the wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper. Click on this. You're going to see wallpaper. Right now, you're going to see a whole lot of options, right? So this is the current one. So you can still, okay, this is our current wallpaper, so you can still come on here, you can choose any wallpaper from of your choice, right? So if you click on this add new wallpaper, right now under this, you're going to see a whole lot of options, right? From your photos, from your Photoshop, from your live photo, from emoji, right? So you can come on here, you can select anyone from this featured, right? Whether an astronomy, anyone from here, right? So you can select this from your desired choice and preference, right? So this is basically how you can set a wallpaper if you are still starting, and if you have some wallpaper on your phone and you love to add it up as well, just click on these photos, right? From these photos you can select any wallpaper you want, right? If you have the wallpaper in your phone already. So this is basically how you can set wallpaper on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.